I wanted to make a game in Unreal Engine, but I didn't know how. I've been making games for Unity for a while, and before that I tried making a game in Unreal Engine, and let's face it sucked. It didn't even work correctly. I didn't even know where to start, so I decided we gotta just go to Google or Firefox, whatever you want. I found some good YouTube tutorials, and I took the game and I slapped some YouTube on top of it. And hey, we already got a nice looking, completely black and useless level. And then it was time to slap some more YouTube on it. Added a skybox, and we already got some pretty nice looking graphics. And now we got some nice, sweet looking player movement. And you guessed it, slap some more YouTube on top of it, and we already got the basis of a level. Time to upgrade the graphics, and boom, so much better. Now it's time to just build it, and we got a playable game. And this is the finished result. Go to the link in the description to play the game for yourself. Go to the link in the description to play the game for yourself.